This is the Audikast 2, a Bluetooth audio transmitter that supports aptX-Adaptive and connection to two audio devices simultaneously. In this video, you will find these contents. First, power the transmitter by connecting it to a wall outlet via the provided power cable and wall adapter. For wall-mounted TVs, you can use the provided adhesive pad to stick the transmitter to the wall next to the TV. Next, connect the transmitter to your TV's audio output ports using one of the following options: optical, 3.5mm aux, or RCA. If you choose to connect via optical, plug the provided optical cable into your TV's optical out or opt-out port, and connect the other end to the opt-in port on the back of the Audikast 2. Then go to the sound settings menu on your TV. First, set the TV audio output to optical, and then change the audio format to PCM or stereo. If your TV is one of the following brands, and you're having trouble setting the sound format on your TV to PCM, visit the Avantree website where we have detailed steps for each TV brand. If you decide to go with aux, plug the aux cable into your TV's aux audio output port and insert the other end into the aux in port on the back of the transmitter. Make sure you set your device's audio output to headset. If you have a TV with red and white audio ports and they are marked as audio out, please utilize the RCA adapter and auxiliary cable provided. Insert the cable with the adapter into the aux in port on the back of the Audikast 2 and connect the other end to the RCA out ports on your TV. Please make sure you select External Speaker in your sound settings menu. Now that your Audikast 2 is connected to your TV, let's connect your Bluetooth headphones to the transmitter. On first use, the Audikast 2 will enter pairing mode automatically after being turned on, with the Bluetooth LED next to the one button flashing red and blue. If not, press and hold the one button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Next, plug your Bluetooth headphones or speakers into pairing mode as well. Keep them close to the Audikast 2. Once connected, the Audikast Bluetooth LED will turn solid blue. You can add a second pair of headphones to your setup to share the audio. While the first pair of headphones are connected, press and hold the transmitter's 2 button until the Bluetooth LED next to it flashes red and blue. Put your second pair of headphones into pairing mode and keep them close to the transmitter until they connect. Once connected, the Bluetooth LED indicator next to the 2 button will turn solid blue. You typically do not need to repair your Bluetooth headphones or speakers with the Audikast 2 every time. Once successfully paired, the next time you turn them on, they should automatically reconnect with each other. If they do not automatically reconnect, you can manually initiate reconnection by pressing the transmitter's 1 or 2 button once. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.